Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Epic Games login error. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and force close your Epic Games launcher and relaunch it to try to log in. If that doesn't work, it could also be because of your internet connection. Simply go ahead and right click on your network settings and click on that and click on Ethernet. And now this is where you want to go to DNS Server Assignment and change it from automatic to manual, and then turn on IPv4 and put these exact DNSs right over here on your screen as well. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and run the command prompt just like that, and simply go ahead and write netsh space winsock space reset. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, then you might need to simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your Epic Games launcher. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.